Yo, what is going on everyone? Welcome back, and in this video we'll be checking out Southwest Florida's future updates. But yeah, here we are right here. If we actually scroll up a little bit, we can actually see a boat. This actually looks really nice. Check out this boat here. This looks crazy. This actually looks really nice. It actually looks really detailed too, in my opinion. And this would be really nice and cool to see in game. This just looks amazing, looks really cool. But yeah, so this is one of the boats here. There's actually two more boats in the Southwest Florida Trello, which we'll be checking out later in the video. But we'll also be checking out some of the other future updates. So here we are, we have this car, not sure what it is. We got a Ford GT right here. This car looks really nice. You can actually see the engine right there too. And then we have this car, not sure what it is again, but it looks really cool. Check this out, it actually looks really cool, and this car will be limited, it says right here. But yeah, and then we got a Dodge Viper. Check this car out, this actually looks amazing, looks really nice. But yeah, then we got another minivan coming to the game. I think the only minivan we have in game right now is the Honda Odyssey. But yeah, then we got some BMWs. But yeah, pretty nice. And if we actually hop over to the Southwest Florida Trello, right here, we can actually see two more boats. So right here, this actually looks really nice. As we can see, this car looks, this boat looks really detailed, in my opinion. This boat looks really amazing. And we got another boat right here, and this boat is not as much detail, but still looks pretty nice. But yeah, that is going to be it for this video, guys. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you guys never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.